I came to Barnard and I just loved the diversity of everybody, and I realized that this was the place to be.
You have bright, bold, brave women who will speak their mind.
Being at a small college and having one-on-one access with professors.
Being around a lot of smart people, doing my best to open my brain up and absorb as much as I could.
It's my 5th reunion. I'm part of the class of 2014, so I'm very excited to be coming for my first time at reunion.
It's not just a college, it's not just a university, it's not somewhere I took an education. It's somewhere I continue to learn from and become part of that fabric that Barnard is.
Barnard is such an important part of my life. It's just a wonderful community.
I don't feel like a stranger when I appear here. It's home.
It's home.
And what I've seen over every 5 years is that more and more people are attending. And so now the class of 74 is actually very robust, both in terms of participation and support. And it's just fun to see everyone.
We work hard to make sure that it's an interesting and exciting, a stimulating and engaging experience for all of you.
I think it's important to continue the connection that we have with our school to really show our appreciation as well as continue a legacy that Barnard has in our lives.
When you come here and you see all the events and the people and the transformation of the place, you'll say, gee, I want to be a part of that.
Come to Reunion.
Be bold, be brave, just show up and have fun.
We want to celebrate the past, we want to celebrate the future, and as I like to think that Barnard brought us together, but Reunion keeps us together.